Replacing the valve on a 4173 tap is a straightforward task when approached with care and precision. The process should take approximately 30 minutes to complete. Before we begin, cover the sink with a cloth to prevent any tools or parts falling into the drain. Ensure you have the following tools to hand: a 17mm or adjustable spanner, a soft cloth, your replacement valve 9.13145 cold or 9.13146 hot, and a hex key. Begin by isolating the water supply to the tap. This is essential to ensure a safe and dry working environment. Turn the tap on to release the water and pressure. Next, gently unscrew the hooded cover. With the hood unscrewed, carefully pull the handle and hood upwards in one movement. Using your spanner, unscrew the valve from the tap body. Be careful to avoid damaging the finish. Once the valve has been removed, thoroughly clean the seated area to ensure a proper seal for the new valve. Insert the new valve into position. Tighten it by hand and then secure it with a quarter turn of the spanner, no more, to avoid over-tightening. Inside the hood you will find a small alignment component known as the vernier insert. Remove this. The new valve will come with its own vernier already fitted. Position the handle onto the new valve and vernier. If the handle does not align perfectly, reposition the vernier insert within the hood until everything lines up precisely. Once satisfied with the alignment, secure the hood by screwing it gently back into place.